Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you need to remove or replace hood latch assembly on your Hyundai Sonata. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's not very complicated, it practically guys takes just a few minutes to do that. There is one trick that will make your life much easier, so make sure to stand till the end and we're going to explain about all that as we go. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So now we have the hood open on that Hyundai Sonata, and as you can see the hood latch is right here guys. Now some of you will attempt to remove it like that, and that's wrong guys. First, you will not be able to pull the bolts out easily. Second, you cannot release the cable, so there is a trick. We first need to remove the grill. Stay with us, we're going to go ahead do that and then we'll continue with the next step. So first thing that we need to do, we need to open the hood. Unfortunately guys, our hood supports, the struts, the shocks do not work anymore, so we need to replace them. We'll have a video how to fix a hood that does not stay up as well, so check it out, it will be on our channel very soon. Now this is the grill that we're talking about, and that's what we'll be removing next. So let's explain now what we need to do here guys. We have plastic clips, with the ones that you unscrew the middle element almost all the way out, or you can do it all the way out if you're unsure and pull them out. Now we need to do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 6 clips that we need to remove in order to remove that grill. Alright, working on it now. Perfect, 3 are done. Now 3 on the right side that we need to do. Great. And we just have 2 more that we need to do. And we will explain what else you need to do after that. It's starting to getting loose. Some. Alright, don't push too much on the middle element because it will try to go in. Okay, perfect. Now we need to get guys, a 10mm socket. We need to get a 10mm socket, and we need to get the bumper just loose enough, on this side and on this side. Once we do that, we'll be able to pull a little bit. We're going to show you in a second. Otherwise that grill may be stuck and you don't want to damage anything, right? You don't want to damage your bumper as well. So 10mm socket. Let's just get it loose. Okay, perfect. You can see how it can move now. Let's do the same exact thing on the driver's side. Perfect. Now you're going to grab, you're going to grab here. Let's see. We have a few clips. I can see them. One of them is right there. So you just grab it, gently, and start pulling it out. Just one by one. Gently pull it out, and the grill came out. You can see just like that. So the grill has been removed on that Hyundai Sonata. Now let's explain guys where that hood latch is located, and you can see on that hood latch you have 2 supports that you will not be able to pull unless you guys unless you remove the grill, otherwise practically impossible. So you have 2 clips where you unscrew the middle part, and one on the bottom, 3 of them. You unscrew the middle part and then you just grab and pull that little bitty thing out. It's spinning on the inside, that's why it's not going. I hold it now. Okay, it came out. I push it from the inside with my finger. There is a third one on the bottom, right here. so that one is disconnected. Once we remove all that, we can guys get to the hood latch, okay, on that Hyundai Sonata. So right here, what do we need to do? Here you need to be careful not to break your cable, okay, and the locking cable, because otherwise you have to replace it. Let's explain what we need to do. 10mm socket, okay, and that hood latch can go up and down. You can see, you can do some adjustments, not too much, but you can do some. And if your hood doesn't closes correctly, you need to adjust it to go up or down. If you need to slam the hood really hard, you may need to bring the latch a little bit up, but not to have too much of a gap. Now the cable itself, how do you guys pull it out? Okay, that thing need to just slide out, okay, and sometimes it can break. Don't twist it too much, okay. And now you need to come here, okay, in an angle. You're going to come, okay, let's explain now. You're going to come this way, okay, up to here. You can see, you go through that, okay, let's pull it. Okay, that's how it's installed. You come this way, then you come to here and it comes out. Then that's the hood latch assembly out of that Hyundai Sonata. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.